Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of top tricks of your Creative Pebble Nova speakers. So the issue is that we have in the speaker the application, and this is the first top trick for you. I really like when speakers or headphones do have the applications. It's because we can easily manage them on the Android phones and iPhones. You don't really have to do any controls and gestures in there. Here in the application you have two main features: equalizer, and as you can see here we do have a lot of presets which are pre-built, pre-created, and here we have the modifier, and we can do the equalizer on our own. Here, apart from the equalizer, we have lighting, we have the LED lights, so we can easily manage the LED lights, disable, enable them, etc. And the final top trick from me to you is that here, and if we click this gear icon and go to channel setup, we can easily swap the channels in our speakers and use the spatial audio. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.